Good morning guys, and welcome to another video. Today's video comes a wee bit closer to home than the three for last week, up in the northwest. I'm just outside Arica, and the target for the day is going to be the Cobbler. I'm out with Dave. Weather's it's not the best, is it? It's raining in the now. I think we'll get a mixed bag. Showers all day. I was actually supposed to be wild camping last night through into today, but the weather yesterday was absolutely horrendous. They've been stuck in the tent for X amount of hours, and it's no warming up any. It's still as cold. So anyway, that's for another day, the wild camp. So I say we're going to tackle the Cobbler, and I'll show you the sights along the way.
I'll be still. Still as a stone, still as a stone. Who cannot roll away in the ground. I'll stay with you all in your grace, who did not float away. I'll be still. I've been slowly going. I hear
nice shirts to hop on the slope, but the wind is crazy, mental. Right guys, that's us done at the summit. We're going to find a place for a brew. My original plan was just to come up down the same way, but Davey says there's a way down by the stack. There's hundreds of snow out here. There's loads of snow, so yeah, we're going to find a bit down here and see if we can get a brew on. How you doing, Mucker?
Brilliant, buddy. Love it.
Yeah, that's impressive. Impressive. Guys, well, what a day, what a fantastic day. We got a wee bit of everything today, with the snow, with the hail, with rain, sleet and sunshine and the wind, but it was a cracking day. It was a really good day. All in all, we were just coming up for 6 hours, we're just touching the 15k mark, so yeah, so just going to head back down the road. Nice wee day out. As I say, I was supposed to be wild camping. I'd booked a day off work today and I didn't want to waste it, so I'm glad I come up. But check the weather now, it's absolutely glorious now. But anyway, I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Cheers.